I want us to look on the car importation process from Japan to Kenya. And this process inakuanga seamless because for us here at Best Cars, tunasemanga it takes 28 to 55 days. But before the time lapses, tunakuanga tumefanya a few things. To start with, we're going to prepare the unit we are looking to import, the specs, the features we are looking for, the engine capacity, the seating capacity, the color of preference, the type of fuel, yeah, if hybrid or non-hybrid, the drivetrain you are interested in, and we share the units that match the features yenye umetupea. After this, tunasa selection. Sasa after tumeselect, tumelock on a unit, this is the point at which we okay the papers. Tunakutumia our agreement, unaipitia ile part unapata hii sielewi, nipigia tu simu direct na Saimo our car guy, hii phrase inasema aje, hii section sijaelewa, na kuelezea what it means. Then after everything is in line, tuna sign the agreement between you and us saying that you have commissioned Best Cars to import this unit on your behalf. After you have okayed the papers, we get back to you. At this point you commit against the unit. Here at Best Cars tunaanga tunasema for cars above 1M you commit with 350. For cars below 1M you commit with 100k. Na hii commitment is still part of the purchase price of the car. Alright, so after now you have committed, we go to the auction, place the bid. The bid normally takes 24 to 36 hours. After the time imelapse ama the bid outcome imekuwa announced, tunapata the results whereby we can win or lose. Okay, let's start in the case where we lose the bid. If we lose the bid, pesa yako bado iko intact. Ulitupia 350, hiyo 350 iko intact. Either 100k bado iko intact. Alright, and after losing the first bid, and within a month hatuja kuonyesha gari ina match your preference and taste, you are entitled for 100% refund within 1 week of request. Now after winning the bid, tuna request to top up the commitment deposit to 20%. Say for the case of a 5 million car, the 20% will be around 1M. Yeah. Say for the case of a 5M car, 20% will be around 1M. So ulikuwa umecommit 350. Yes, that means uta top up 650,000 to make it to 20%. Sasa sisi tuko 20% as Best Cars, tuna import gari from Japan to Kenya. Before importation, wanga tunapeleka through the processing in Japan, whereby tunaipeleka inspections. First inspection by QISJ, where we get the certificate of roadworthiness. Second inspection by the Ministry of Transport in Japan, where we get the export certificate of this car and the story of the car as well. That inspection is by the shipping line, where we get the bill of lading. Now with these 3 documents, tunaweza fanya clearing ya hii gari on the side of Kenya, because the 3 documents are used for clearing the car from the port of Mombasa. After all that, say in 3 or 4 weeks, gari itakuwa imefika Kenya. After imefika Kenya, tunakwambia meli imefika, mzigo yako iko Kenya. Now it's time you clear the 80% balance. Na hapa Best Car tunasemanga pesa ya gari isiende kuombewa. Hii imetosha, iweke mahali. Hii ilock mahali. Usiende uambie inaomba ikuwe double. No, don't do that. Pesa ya gari ikitosha iweke kwa account kando. Hiyo imetosha, haihitaji maombi mengine, haihitaji maombi mengine hiyo. So once it lands, tunakwambia now it's time to clear the balance of the 80%. But before you clear the balance, tunaenda na wewe ama another person on your behalf tufanye inspection ya gari before you clear the 80% balance. Now after kila kitu iko sawa, ume clear the balance, tunaanza processing sasa, whereby tunalipa the port charges, yeah, tunafanya registration ya gari, tunalipia gari yako duty, na tunaipea carrier, whereby it will be delivered up to our offices, whereby you can come receive it, yeah, or it can be delivered at your home. Okay, whereby hii delivery ya home wanga tunasema it comes at an extra charge ya driver, say 2 to 5k depending na kwenye uko. So if you are looking to import a car, contact Saimo Best Cars or your car guy, and we will assist you import any unit from Japan to Kenya. See you in office.